Hello everyone, welcome back to Ahava Life. We are Maci and Christian, and we've been traveling in our self-converted van for 3 years, and we love each other so much that we've decided to add a +1 to our tribe. In today's episode, we head to Tampa, Florida for an exciting tiny house event that features over 50 buses, vans, and tiny houses. We're sure to have an exciting episode for you this week. Huh? Ooh. What's up, man? How you feeling, man? Alright, I'm gonna let you down. Take a walk. Nah. Be careful, little Nah. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Come here. Come on. How you guys living?
Come on in.
Hi, come on in.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, come on in.
But everything is good.
Nice. You guys use the shower a lot?
We use
All
the
the
shower
time.
almost every day.
Okay, cool.
Real nice
Yeah,
shower.
we're big fans of the shower. I
Here,
built,
so-
built it out with copper walls.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
So queen bed. Check out the table.
Check out the tail. He's proud of it, I can tell.
Woo!
That's a game changer.
Right
Right?
there.
That's a
It
game
sure
changer.
is. Yeah, all the wood is reclaimed somehow. This is pallet wood.
I'm always proud of people who are able to resource like materials like that. I'm just impatient.
It's a lot of work. So yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna keep it moving. Pleasure to meet you both.
Thanks, man.
Honestly, I think we get more benefit out of coming to these shows than the people who actually pay to get in. Seeing all these awesome tiny houses and meeting all the cool people that built them really does fulfill your spirit and make you want to continue on your journey.